If someone gets access to your Google account, they basically get access to everything: your emails, your photos, your files. So, changing your password regularly is one of the smartest things you can do. Let me show you how to do it in less than a minute. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Google or Gmail password right from your iPhone. And honestly, the steps are almost the same if you are using Android as well. So first, open the Gmail app or even the Google app. Both work the same. Now tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. From here, tap on Manage your Google account. Once you are inside, look through the options until you find Password. You usually see when it was last changed as well. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, before you can change your password, Google needs to make sure it's really you. So here, you might be asked to verify your identity. If you're using an iPhone with Face ID or a passkey enabled, just tap Continue, then tap Use Passkey, and your Face ID will confirm it instantly. If that does not work or you prefer another method, tap on Try Another Way. You can enter your current password or get a verification code sent to your recovery email. So, you've got multiple options here, no worries at all. Once you are verified, you'll be taken to the password change screen. Now just enter your new password, then confirm it again. Make sure it's at least 8 characters and try to use something strong that you haven't used before. Then tap on Change Password. And that's it. Your password is now updated. You might also get a prompt to save or update it in your iPhone's Passwords app, which is super useful so you don't forget it next time. And that's all there is to it. Quick, simple, and very important for your security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more simple tech tips like this. I'll see you in the next one.